Zoology. Exploring the world of animals, the scientific study of animals from behavior to evolution, from bacteria to mammals, reptiles, birds, and fish, understanding bird reproductive behavior through mating rituals, the ecological role of predators like wolves in maintaining forest balance, specialized features like bat wings for flight and frog feet for swimming, protecting endangered species and habitats from human-induced threats. Zoology reveals the incredible diversity of animal life and our interconnectedness with nature. Exploring branches of zoology, let us discuss each in details. Number 1. Anatomy. Anatomy in zoology is all about studying the physical structures of animals. It delves into the internal and external aspects of their bodies. For example, researchers might examine the digestive system of a mammal or the skeletal structure of a bird. No. 2. Physiology. It focuses on understanding the functions and mechanisms within an animal's body. It looks at processes like respiration, circulation, and reproduction. One interesting area of study is how fish regulate their internal salt concentration in different water environments. No. 3. Ecology. It explores the interactions between animals and their environment. It investigates how animals adapt to their surroundings, their relationships with other species, and the impact of environmental changes on animal populations. Researchers might study the feeding habits of a predator or analyze the biodiversity in a specific ecosystem. No. 4. Ethology. It is the study of animal behavior in natural conditions. It involves observing and understanding how animals behave, communicate, mate, and interact with their environment. For example, researchers might study the social structure of a primate group or the migration patterns of birds. No. 5. Evolutionary biology. Evolutionary biology in zoology examines the evolutionary history of animals. It explores how species have changed over time, their relationships to each other, and the mechanisms that drive evolutionary processes. Researchers might investigate the evolution of horses from their ancient ancestors or the development of wings in insects. Number 6. Taxonomy. It is all about classifying and categorizing animals based on their evolutionary relationships. It aims to organize and catalog animal diversity. For instance, identifying a newly discovered species and determining its classification within the animal kingdom falls under taxonomy. No. 7. Conservation biology. Conservation biology in zoology focuses on protecting and preserving animal species and their habitats. It involves studying the threats faced by endangered species and developing strategies for their conservation. The goal is to prevent species extinction and maintain biodiversity. Each branch of zoology contributes uniquely to our understanding of animals, their biology, behavior, and their relationship with the environment.